Please welcome our next performing marching band from Ventura, California, the pride of the Gold Coast, the Buena High School Marching Band, with their field show entitled City of Lights, under the direction of field drum majors Cadence Orlemans and Xavier Ramirez. The Sounds of Conejo is proud to welcome in performance the Buena High School Marching Band.
Voici venir les temps où vibrant sur sa tige, les sons et les parfums tournent dans l'air du soir. Valse mélancolique et langoureux vertige.
Give another round of applause to the pride of the Gold Coast, the Buena High School Marching Band, and their director, James Rumina.
That was Buena High School Marching Band with City of Lights. I just think that the French was so pretty to listen to, and the colors of the dancers' dresses and shirts just like popped, and my eyes were drawn to it. And I think the formations that the marching band did was just so interesting to watch and look at, and overall it was a great performance.